Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook poikie kos. To start, gather your essential equipment, including a sturdy three-legged cast iron pot, or potji, and a reliable heat source like charcoal or wood. This traditional South African stew thrives on gentle, sustained heat, so patience is a key ingredient. We will layer our fresh components carefully, allowing their individual flavors to slowly combine into a rich, comforting meal for everyone to enjoy. Choosing high-quality ingredients is crucial for an exceptional poikie kos. For your protein, consider about 1 kilogram of well-marbled beef or tender lamb, ensuring it's cut into generous, uniform pieces. Fresh, firm vegetables like potatoes, carrots, and onions will form the backbone of your stew. Don't forget your chosen spices. A good quality curry powder, salt, and black pepper will enhance every layer of flavor beautifully. Begin by placing your potji over a consistent medium-low heat, adding approximately 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Carefully brown your meat in small batches. This step is vital for developing deep flavor. Once all the meat is seared and set aside, add your sliced onions and about 3 cloves of crushed garlic to the pot. Cook these gently until they become wonderfully fragrant and soft, creating a beautiful aromatic base for the stew. If you encounter problems during activation, first double-check that you are typing your credentials correctly. Temporary passwords can be case-sensitive. If the system rejects your login, use the Forgot Password or Account Recovery option. This usually sends a reset link to your personal email. Make sure you are using the correct web address for your college's email system. Should problems persist, do not hesitate to contact the university's IT help desk. They are there to assist you promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.